So this year again we are going to start our crash course for 2023 Gate Aerospace. So if you are willing to join our crash course program, so you can join. We are starting in October month, and we'll be finishing this. You can see uh, roughly October mid, and date is not announced yet because we are about to finish our regular batch syllabus by the first week of October. So very soon date will be announced. So for that you can just join our WhatsApp group using the link given in the description. If you are interested to join the crash course program, now you understand what are the facilities you are going to get in crash course program. So first thing, live classes. So this live classes timing is very important. So this time I have kept as per your comfort because most of the students are free in the night time. So in night time only we are going to keep our timings. Right now in all the different batches of regular classes I have kept classes 8:30 to 11 night time. So all the students are being free and they are attending the classes in the night time. And after 11 we used to have a detailed doubt sessions also, and after that we used to have separate doubt sessions on the phone call. It depends what kind of program you have taken. So now understand, in case of crash course, what are the facilities I am going to provide you. So the first thing is you have to attend the live classes on Zoom app. Timing will be night time. Okay, now next thing, whatever classes you are going to attend, same classes on same day will be available in recorded format. Because when I take classes, right now you can see I'm taking classes and it is being recorded, right? In same way those classes will also be recorded. One more thing, if you want to check how do I record classes and what kind of formats it will be available after the classes, so you spend some days on my YouTube channel and you will come to know what I'm talking about, the recorded lectures. Anyway, I hope you understood. So one thing is live classes. After live classes, recorded lectures will be provided to you. Next, all the study material. All the study material means whatever material you need to complete the syllabus. First thing, all the concepts and all the important tips and tricks and numericals I'll be covering in live class itself. But other than that, you have to solve assignments, you have to solve, some books will be there, some extra PDFs will be there, some theory PDF will be there. Other than that, like whatever PDFs I am providing to my regular batch students, those PDFs will be accessible for you also. Okay, all the study material in that you will be having handwritten notebooks and formula book and revision book, everything will be there, don't worry. Like everything, whatever material is needed to prepare for GATE aerospace exam, that will be accessible for you. Okay, so this is your third thing, I mean second. So first thing is your live classes, second thing is your video course, third thing is your all the study material. Other than that, fourth and very important thing is online test series. Now this online test series is very important for everyone. 400 plus test series will be there. In that, 30 test series will be full length test series, and all the 400 test series are having detailed solution. Okay, and I am the only one who is providing 400 genuine questions. Those questions are not from previous year questions, those questions are not like data change questions, like in one question you have force value 40, in second question you have force value 50, in third question you have no. All the questions are of different platform, in different way, of different nature, and every single question will give you different concept. Okay, so, and best part is detailed solution. More than that, some, for so many tough questions I have provided video solutions as well, and I am every day including extra video solutions as per students demand. Okay, so some students are saying that sir, this question if you will make the video solution, then it will be easy for upcoming students as well. So immediately, because students are supporting me, they are giving me this kind of guidance, so I am creating extra video solutions as well. Okay, right. So this is how the test series part. Other than that, the best support will be the doubt session. Okay, so if you are attending the live classes, just after that you can stay after 11 p.m. also, and you can ask your doubts. Other than that, you understand the best part. Whatever videos I have taken for regular batch students, understand, whatever videos I have taken for regular batch students from 15th Feb of 2022, we are running our regular batch student program, correct? In that, 45k and 35k fee structure is there in this regular batch student, and they are attending whatever sessions I have taught them. All the sessions are available in video format. That video format will also be available for you guys. Okay, it means if you are joining in October month this crash course, then in this crash course you will be having your own live sessions from zero, from basics. Okay, everything will be taught from basics. This is one thing. Next thing, whatever will be taught to you, that video will be available so that you can revise your crash course whenever you want. Other than that, right now I was talking about this video course. So this video course is already recorded video course from the live regular batch full length program. Okay, so 2021 to 2022 batch is there. That video series will also be given to you. 2022 to 2023 regular batch, that video courses will also be given to you. Other than that, whatever whatever videos will be recorded for your own classroom programs, that videos will also be given to you. Okay, so everything, you can see so much study material, you can access them. And one thing, what about doubt sessions? It is very important. Okay, so our classes will be in night time. And why I'm keeping classes in night time? So that many of you are working professionals, many of you are studying in college, so daytime most of you used to be busy. So that's why night classes are always very comfortable for GATE aerospace aspirants. Okay, so that's why I used to take classes in night time. Okay, now if you want to know more about me, so just you know that I have qualified GATE 6 times aerospace. Okay, I am teaching GATE aerospace from 8+ years. It's been 8+ years. And I have the complete full-fledged running website and coaching center. Okay, earlier I was running my coaching center offline in Chennai at 2 different places, but because of COVID now I am completely working online. Okay, after 2023 we are coming offline batch again, but not in Chennai. We are planning to start in Delhi. Now, other than this, because everything is available online, you guys will be very comfortable in online sessions, because you are not going to leave your hometown, you are not going to leave your college, you are not going to compromise with your food, you are not going to compromise with any kind of transport facilities. You don't have to pay any extra money for food and transport and all. You can sit wherever you are, you can study from there itself. Whatever is your comfort zone, that zone itself you can convert into your educational hub, your own room. Okay, so this online preparation is always amazing. Okay, in case if someone will be interested in 2023-2024 batch offline, we'll run that batch, and then you guys can join that. Okay, next part, see here I will summarize, just a quick summarization. First thing, live classes on Zoom app. Understand this, live classes on Zoom app. This I am talking for the crash course students. Okay, so ID and password will be given to you after your admission is done. Next thing, all the videos, all the study materials, all the PDFs, all the books, whatever is required, okay, whatever is needed, everything is actually on my Google Drive. That Google Drive link will be shared with you after your admission. Next thing, test series you have to take on my website. Okay, when you will contact me on WhatsApp after watching this video, that my WhatsApp number is 6380135260. My name is Vikash Shrivastav. My students used to call me Viru sir. Okay, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and I will be giving you some important links, and you can watch those links. Anyway, you are coming for the separate program, that is crash course program, starting in October month. So in this video I am giving information for that. So live classes, video courses, and test series. Other than that, doubt sessions. So most of the time students are confused, sir, what about doubt sessions? So for that, guys, I am telling you, doubt sessions are there. Okay, And whatever students, if you want to know my result, meet me on WhatsApp. I'll be giving you links, or you can just visit on my channel, and there you just watch all the videos already there. Okay, so 900 plus videos are there, and you can spend some 4-5 days and be prepared, be ready, and don't forget to join the WhatsApp group using link. Okay, so there is a link given in your description. Go to the link, click that link, come to my WhatsApp. Okay, and always remember, I am giving link in description, I am not giving link in comment box. Okay, many people, they are dropping their links in comment box, so be aware of that. Don't join any link, only in my video description you go, and there you will find the link. Using that link you can join this. Okay, I hope everything is comfortable and I'm able to convey everything. If you have any doubt, you can immediately contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, so I have given the WhatsApp number here, 6380135260. You can just save my number and immediately contact me. On October month we are starting, so once you will join the WhatsApp group, in the WhatsApp group itself I'll be giving all the updates about coming date for the day 1 class of your crash course program. And one thing, if you are from Hindi background, that if you know Hindi language, right, if you are from Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Delhi, like in whatever states you are, and if you are comfortable in Hindi language, then you can definitely ask your doubts in Hindi also. क्योंकि भैया देखो हम हिंदी बोलते हैं, ओके, हम हैं उत्तर प्रदेश के, तो हिंदी बहुत अच्छे से आती है हमको. आप लोग अगर हिंदी में अपने डाउट्स पूछना चाहें, मोस्ट वेलकम. क्लास के दौरान भी आप अपने डाउट्स हिंदी में पूछ सकते हैं, क्लास के बाद भी आप अपने डाउट्स हिंदी में पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है, सब कुछ हिंदी में समझा दिया जाएगा. अगर आपको इंग्लिश में दिक्कत होगी तो बस ये है कि जब क्लास ख़त्म हो जाएगी तो फिर आप उस चीज़ को हिंदी में पूछ सकते हैं. क्लास के दौरान आप बिल्कुल हिंदी यूज कर सकते हैं, हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं, हिंदी पूछ सकते हैं, जो भी डाउट हो आप क्लास के दौरान भी हिंदी में पूछ सकते हैं. बट इफ़ यू आर एन साउथ इंडियन स्टूडेंट, और इफ़ यू आर स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लेस वेयर हिंदी इज नॉट स्पोकन एंड यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विथ हिंदी, देन नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, यू कैन आस्क मी everything in English language. I am comfortable in 2 languages, one is Hindi and one is English. Okay, I hope I have conveyed everything. Thank you so much. Let's meet on WhatsApp immediately.